Traces note of skeleton. Holy Dharma of skeleton meditation tube. Manjusri part.
Reading experience of a disciple. Just now, I read little disciple's note carefully, word by word, again. Wow, so cute, especially the part with you in past life, shocking people. She has a super ability to be approachable, which makes people naturally like her simplicity and truth. It's so cute. With Master's classic gatha and step-by-step guidance, I also learned so much, happily and gratefully. My shortcomings can be seen through her. She is like a mirror, lightening up inner dirt. I dreamed about little disciple yesterday. My dream is right. Little disciple own lovely and pure smile.
Words of Guru Guangming to disciples in seclusion.
You should all be well, and will not worry about your livelihood in the future. The economic foundation determines the superstructure, and a stable life can make you feel better at ease. So the Buddha shows in the world with double foot image, and both blessings in the society and the wisdom out of the society are enough. 5月18日 2019 Texas USA. Diet. The 25th day of every month is offering day for Dakinis, the 10th day of offering day for Guru Rinpoche, and the 25th day of offering day for Dakinis are important. All the gathered saints that we offer is a kind of up offering and down giving. The saints are not really full, but to accept the offerings with happy heart. The real offering is not outer but inner piety. When you practice in seclusion, don't go to rest and relax. Don't really eat and drink enough. Otherwise, it will be meaningless to get into a coma. In fact, the root cause of many diseases is overeating. When you first begin to worship and repent prostrately, it takes a lot of energy to eat and sleep well. Once you worship for a long time, you will find that you really don't need to eat and drink enough. Instead, you will be as light as a swallow, and you will have very few thoughts. This will make you more aware that you don't want to eat, but you don't want to think. May 28th, 2019, Texas, USA. Visualizing skeleton. Great music has the faintest notes. All sages come from the holy dharma of skeleton. All the wand of internal yidam is the skeleton. You should start from the skeleton practice. In fact, I'm afraid to teach you women now. Some want to be the best in the world, not inferior with the near and resentful with the far. Can I trust your vows with a bad skin bag and 2 mouths? Some person is really paying for nothing. If you pay, you want to get something. Otherwise, you think it's not worth it. In fact, it's really selfish. Some people tend to look down on this and that. In fact, it is true that great wisdom looks like stupidity. Great music has the faintest notes. Great form is beyond shape. It is really the truth. 5月30日 2019 Texas, USA. Number of sutra and mantras and faith power. Who with no form admire those have form. Who have form admire those have no form. Both are of attachment. Poison discharged with separation mind. It doesn't matter whether you feel or not. The key is to be calm as water. For example, two people have different foundations. One keeps the precepts and endures humiliation. The other likes to eat and sleep. But the one who sleeps can dream bright. The other who keeps the precepts practice diligently. And each has his own merits and achievements. Just get along well and support each other. Those who practice holy dharma of one sutra and 4 mantras get the blessing of sutra, mantras, and mahamudra, and can quickly and naturally show the yidam, which can't be imagined by the araham who get into meditation with ki. You should start from the number of sutra and mantras and faith power, which can have affinity with dharma. 6月6日 TH 2019, Texas, USA. About Inedia. Answer: during Inedia, you can drink water with red sugar, or water with honey and lemon. Sometime eat an apple at noon. The real purpose of Inedia is to empty the stomach and intestines, which is more conducive to physical health and meditation. If you don't have enough skills, you will be hurt by it. About Inedia. Not eating rises from enough tea naturally, and it is popular in Hinayana Buddhism and heretics. The longer you meditate, the less delusions you have, and the less you naturally eat or don't eat. Some people only eat 1 meal a day, or even don't eat for 3 days, 7 days, half a month, a few months, and a few years, because they are in meditation. I don't advocate doing this reluctantly, the method of torturing the body or enjoying the body, but those who want to achieve it are all heterodox. If you want to demonstrate the Samogakaya and Dharmakaya, don't pay more attention to the body method. The flesh body is only like a temporary rented hotel. Over-decoration or broken windows are not the middle way. You should pay more attention to visualizing skeleton and recite Buddha observation samadhi cultivation method and put it into meditation. Then you will arrive different levels of realm naturally. For example, if you arrive at different levels, you all see different scenic spots. Why just seek the scenic spot and forget the levels? June 6, 2019, Texas, USA.